Tired of the same old light and airy rooms? Let's talk about going dark. Forget those gloomy, cave-like spaces you might be picturing. Dark paint can actually make your home feel glamorous, cozy, and incredibly welcoming. Think of it as a warm hug for your walls. These deep, moody tones create drama, a sense of calm, and speak of pure luxury. Plus, they're great at hiding those little imperfections on your walls. Ready to embrace the dark side? Top designers are loving shades like Farrow and Mahogany, a rich, deep brown that feels both classic and bold. Or what about Greene's Ganache? It's a sumptuous chocolatey color that's pure indulgence. And for a contemporary twist, there's Farrow and Ball's Hague Blue, an inky, sophisticated shade that adds instant depth. So, next time you're redecorating, dare to go dark. You might just fall in love. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more design inspiration.